Ever wonder how to feel better and stronger every day easily? The answer might just be in your kitchen. Welcome to this journey towards better health through the power of plant-based cooking. Today we're sharing 10 easy starter vegan chef recipe tips. First stop on our journey is embracing the world of vegetables. Tip 1. Always keep your kitchen stocked with a variety of fresh vegetables. The more colorful your plate, the more nutrients you're getting usually. Next, tip 2. Experiment with herbs and spices. They not only add flavor, but also boost your health with their rich antioxidants. Now on to tip 3. Substitute dairy milk with plant-based alternatives. Almond, soy, or oat milk are all great options with their own unique benefits. Our fourth tip is incorporate whole grains into your diet. They're rich in fiber and keep you feeling full for longer. Moving forward to tip 5. Use natural sweeteners such as dates, maple syrup, or agave instead of refined sugar, and your taste buds and your health will thank you. Halfway through our journey, tip 6. Learn to make your own vegan protein sources. Tofu, tempeh, and lentils are all nutrient-packed proteins that are easy to prepare. On to tip 7. Don't shy away from healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and seeds, and olive oil are all essential for a balanced diet. Next, tip 8. Always hydrate. Infuse your water with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Tip 9 in our journey. Learn the art of meal prepping. It saves time and ensures you always have healthy meals at hand. This way you can control what you eat even when you are away from home. Lastly, tip 10. Be patient with yourself. Transitioning to a vegan diet is a journey, not a race. So take your time and you will find your grove. So to recap, stock up on fresh vegetables, experiment with herbs and spices to tailor your food to your taste, substitute dairy, incorporate whole grains, use natural sweeteners, learn to make vegan proteins, don't fear healthy fats, stay hydrated, meal prep, and be patient with yourself. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier diet is a victory. So start your journey today and feel better and stronger every day. Thank you for joining us. Next up, complete vegan recipes that will make you wonder why you haven't tried vegan before.